So I'm going to go over some best practices and some tips and tricks just to kind of get some ideas flowing. First one is default navigation versus custom navigation. And that default navigation, again, this is automatically added. So it's quick and convenient. Anytime you have multiple pages, these arrows are already going to be there for you to navigate. Now, you can't change what these arrows look like, the size of them, or where they're located on the page. So these are pretty much glued. You can easily edit the color of them and the background color of it. So if I wanted it to blend in a little more, I can make it blue and blend into the background. I can change the icon color. So you can do that in your theme panel in the studio. So you can make those quick tweaks and make it look more on brand with your experience. Like we did here, we just kept it as is in the course hub. Or you can create custom navigation as well. So with custom navigation, this is not automatically added to the page. But when you bring these in, you're going to be able to use custom icons, shapes, and place them wherever you want on the canvas. Is there, and I was a question in the chat, if there's a way to remove the default navigation? Absolutely. So if you go to your theme panel, it's that little paint icon, then you can toggle that button off to enable arrows, and that's going to turn off the arrows for you. Yeah, so you don't have to use them if you don't want to.